Lesson number 2 in chapter 6, Numerical Expressions. Let's begin by this real world link. The table shows the cost of different snacks at a concession stand at the school hockey game. For popcorn, it's $2, juice or soda $1, a hot dog $4. Now we need to know the cost of 3 popcorn. One popcorn is 2, so the cost would be 6. 4 hot dogs. One hot dog is $4, so 4 hot dogs 16. Find the total cost of buying 3 boxes of popcorn and 4 hot dogs. So 6 plus 16. This will be $22. So after finding the price of 3 popcorns, 6 because it was 3 times 2, and after finding the price of 4 hot dogs, one hot dog $4, so 16 because it is 4 by 4. Then we added 6 plus 16 to give you $22. And we used multiplication in step 1 and step 2. Then we used addition in step number 3. Now we need to know the order of operations. Operations means plus, minus, multiply, and divide. These are the 4 operations we are dealing with since you started learning mathematics. How can we order these operations if they come together in the same problem? Step number 1, simplify the expression inside grouping simple, means inside brackets or parentheses like those. So we begin by what is inside the parentheses. Find the value of the power, if we have a power, like exponent. Multiply and divide in order from left to right. Add and subtract in order from left to right. So first, we begin by the parentheses, the brackets, then powers, then multiply and divide, then add and subtract. Is gathered in this word PIM dash rule. PEMDAS rule. Just remember this word. P for parentheses, E for exponent, M for multiplication and division together, A and S, addition and subtraction together. So since we mentioned the letter P first, means we must do parentheses first, then the exponent, then multiplication and division. No one is preferable than the other. So when they come together, we take it from left to right. Also, when addition and subtraction come together, we take it from left to right. But when multiplication and division come with addition and subtraction, you can see that multiplication and division is in step number 3. Then in step number 4 is subtraction and addition. So multiplication and division is preferable than addition and subtraction. I recommend that you write down this rule, PEMDAS rule, in your books. Now, a numerical expression like 3 times 2 plus 4 times 4 is a combination of numbers and operations. The order of operation tells you which operation to perform first so that everyone finds the same value of an expression. So in this type of problem, we are going to finish multiplication before the addition. So 3 multiplied by 2 will give you 6. And 4 times 4 will give you 16. Then you will add 6 plus 16. This will give you 22. Now let's take examples. We need you to evaluate. Evaluate means find the final answer. 10 plus 2 times 15. So do not do the silly mistake that you are going to say, oh, 10 plus 2 is 12 and 12 times 15. No, sir, this is completely wrong. Completely wrong. Why? Because you need to follow the order of operation. Order of operation tells you, let me write it for you, PEMDAS rule. What do we have? We have addition and multiplication. This is addition and the multiplication. It's clear that multiplication comes first. So we leave the 10 and we leave the plus. We evaluate first 2 multiplied by 15 will give you 30. Then 10 plus 30 will give you 40. So the final answer is 40. Let's see this problem. We have division and multiplication. This is the division. This is the multiplication. Okay. So division and multiplication, no one is preferable. What comes first must be done first. So we do division, then we do multiplication. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. Of course, if someone did the multiplication first, this will be a very big mistake. Let me show you how. Imagine that someone say, okay, 16 divided by 2 times 4, and he will do this first. It will be a very big mistake. See, 16 divided by 2 times 4 is 8. 16 divided by 8 is 2, completely wrong. So when multiplication and division, they come together, we take it from left to right. Means what comes first must be done first. Also, when addition and subtraction, they come together, we take it also from left to right according to the rule. So let me erase this one because this is a big mistake. Just pay attention for this rule and everything will be okay. And the final answer is 32. For this problem, 25 times 5 minus 2 divided by 5 minus 12. So let's write PEMDAS rule. And what do we have? We have here multiplication, we have parentheses, we have subtraction, we have division. See? So we must do parentheses first, means 5 minus 2. So you write equal sign, then you copy paste everything, and you start evaluating 5 minus 2. So this is 25, multiplication sign, 5 minus 2 is 3, division sign, 5 minus 12. So we are done with parentheses. Now we have multiplication and division. No one is preferable. So take it from left to right. So we multiply first. Don't forget equal sign at the beginning of every step. 25 multiplied by 3, 75. Then drop the division sign, drop the 5, drop minus, drop 12. Now we do the division. So 75 divided by 5 is 15. Finally, 15 minus 12 is 3. Final answer is 3. Now, let's do this problem. We have PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. What do we have in this problem? We have division. We have parentheses. We have power, exponent. And we have addition. So, we must do parentheses first. But inside parentheses, there is a power. So let's do the power. So here 24 is divided by 2 to the power of 3 will give you 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2, this is 8. Then plus 4. Now this is 24 is divided by 8 plus 4 will give you 12. And 24 divided by 12 will give you 2. Final answer is 2. Now moving on. In this problem, Alex's and 3 friends are at the mall. Each person buys a pretzel for $4, sauce for $1, and a drink for $2. Write an expression for the total and find the total cost. Alex's and 3 friends means they are 4. They are 4 friends. So each person buys a pretzel means they are 4 friends, and multiplied by 4 for the pretzel, then 4 multiplied by 1 for the sauce, then 4 multiplied by 2 for the drink. So 4 by 4 is 16, plus 4 by 1 is 4, plus 4 by 2 is 8. And you can say this is $28. For the guided practice, we have here 9 plus 3 minus 5. So 9 plus 3 is 12. And 12 minus 5 will give you 7. Here we must do parentheses first. So 26 plus 5 is 31. Multiply 2 minus 15. So multiplication before subtraction. 31 times 2 will give you 62 minus 15. 62 minus 15. This will give you 47. Here the power first, 5 power 2 is 25, plus 8 divided by 2. Don't forget division before addition, so leave the 25, leave the plus. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now 25 plus 4 is 29. Problem number 4. Tickets to a play cost $10 for members and $24 for non-members. $10 for the member and $24 for the non-member. Write an expression to find the total cost of 4 non-members and 2 members. So 2 members means 2 times 10 plus 4 non-members means 4 times 24. 2 times 10 is 20. 4 times 24 is 96. Then we add 20 and 96. This will give you $116. That's it for our lesson for today. Lesson number 2 in chapter 6. If you have any question, you can write it down in comments.